had to be lifted, and it is slowly being lifted. And it is very apparent from the Ministry of Home Affairs guideline which has been issued today that most of the activities will slowly come back to the normal which we used to see prior to the lockdown time. But of course, it is happening on a phased manner. It has to be some certain guidelines we will have to follow, because that is because the corona is still there and we are still living with this virus. So certain SOPs, certain guidelines which will be issued by the Ministry of Health will be a permanent thing which we need to follow, and something which is important for all of us to realize that this is going to stay and we need to follow certain guidelines. Yes, we have to continue with our economic activities, we have to continue with our normal activities. There are certain restrictions which has been put, and this is a countrywide restriction that from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. that curfew-like situation will be there. So basically, every activities will have to be done between 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eventually, it always has happened, but some measures have been taken to ensure safety and security of the common man on the street. Away from that, let me also tell you that the government of India has already announced various packages. The self-reliant package of 20 lakh crore, and I think that can be put to use only when the lockdown is lifted, because most of the companies or the industries will kickstart their activities and economic activities only if the lockdown is lifted, and something which is being announced today. Because we have to understand, some people, like I heard the press conference of Congress, Mr. Rahul Gandhi of the Congress, that he was questioning the government why there was a lockdown, and the Prime Minister had even at that time had spoken about 21 days. I'm really amazed that he's raising this kind of question, purely because we were dealing with unknown at that point of time. Nobody knew about this virus at that point in time. The world didn't know about this virus. Today we know exactly the impact of this virus, how it is spreading, what measures need to be taken, what SOPs one need to follow, what are the guidelines every citizen need to follow, and of course, more importantly, the infrastructure which needs to be created, medical infrastructure which has been created. We had no testing facility at that point in time in March.
So I want to therefore ask the other viewpoints, therefore, that's trying to get in a word here. Mohammad Tausif Rehman, who also wants to come in, Zafar Islam. Yes.
All I can say that, see, the economic activities has to begin. The lockdown had to be lifted, and it will be lifted in a manner that the people who have been sensitized during the lockdown period.
Yes, it's a phased out manner that we are going to look at it, and that's why the MHA guidelines say phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Valid point there. Opening comments coming in from all our panelists, because we've got viewers, panelists from 3 sectors here today. We have panelists who are going to be giving us a sense of what lies ahead for them. Mohammad Tausif Rehman, good guidelines, phased out guidelines. Are you all right with this step by the government? Is this welcome?
No, actually, I was really waiting for this guidelines. I was really waiting for this guideline, because when the Bengal CM yesterday, when she announced about all the Dharmsthan is going to open, there was a big trolling going against her. And I was waiting for this exact guideline when it's going to come, because that was not her only decision. That was not her private decision that the Dharmsthan is going to open. And I'm very happy with this decision that from 8th of June, actually people will start working with all their protocols, maintaining the protocols and the protocol given by the MHA. And I think it's a very wise decision. But at the same time, we have to maintain our distance, social distancing and everything. But I have a complaint. That, why we are not still working on the kits, ma'am. Because Zafar Saab is with me, and today we want to have a very nice debate. I don't want to shout, neither he wants to shout as well. But I want to just request that why don't we work on our defaulter kits?
I was waiting because where the criticism is going to come in.
Because not personally, not... No, it is not a criticism, ma'am. Trust me, it is not a criticism. I am just requesting the central government. Just, sir, Zafar bhai, Zafar bhai, I have a request that please ask the medical facilities and the medical head concerned people to work on the concern for this medical faulty kits, defaulter kits, because I have seen like 10 cases जिनके साथ एक बार negative
Okay, I'm understanding that point of view, but I also want to get in a sense today of the larger picture here.